Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. So the first 8 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when the song starts saying hot, we're going to lift up our left leg like this, okay? And the left hand with the palm out is going to be next to our mouth like this. And our right arm is going to go up 2 times, okay? With the palm out like this. So it is 1, 2. Then on 3, 4, when it says sauce, you're going to bring the left leg down like this, left hand next to your mouth, and right hand you're going to make circles with it as if you're eating something like this, okay? So from here, sauce, 3, 4, and your hip is going to move backwards like this to the left, okay? So hot, sauce. Then one more time, hot. So this time you're going to lift up your right leg. So from here, lift up your right leg, right hand next to your mouth, and left arm up 2 times. So up, up. Okay? So from here, hot, 1, 2. Then sauce, right leg goes down. Right hand is on the same place, and with your left hand you're going to eat something and move your hips to the right 2 times, okay? So one more time from here. So hot, sauce, hot, sauce. The next 8 counts are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after this, hands at the side like this. Right is going to go to the front and left to the left, okay? And you're going to take it up, down, okay? So up, down, then switch, up, down, okay? So up, down, switch, up, down. Then take your hands to the left and go like give me something, okay, 2 times. So give me something to the left, give me something to the right. So it's up, down, switch, up, down, switch, give me, okay? Then for your legs, you're going to step to the front with your left leg like this. Then when you switch, you're going to bring your right leg up like this, okay? So like this, you're going to bring your right leg up, then to the side. So put your right leg down and go to the left side and switch to the right side, okay? So step, up, left, right. Then for your head, on 1, you're going to tilt it to the left. When you bring your leg up, tilt it to the right, and then to the left, to the right. So faster with counts, 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, 6, your left leg is going up like this, and your arms are going up 2 times, okay? So up, up. That's on 5, 6. So from here, you're going to go back to your place on 7, 8, okay? Step, step. So from here, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step, step. So now let's repeat from the very beginning from this part, okay? So hot, sauce, hot, sauce. 1, 2, left, right, up, up, step, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next up is 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Let's begin with the upper body first. So on 1, you stand in your place, but on 2, you're going to fan yourself 2 times. So 1, 2, and, okay? Then when it says 3, 4, and, on 3, lean forward, and on 4, take your plate, and you're going to eat 2 times, okay? Circle, circle. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. And again, we're going to repeat all of these one more time. Okay, so 5, 6, and 7, 8. But this time when you eat, don't lean forward, okay? Eat in your place. So it is 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Now for the legs, you're going to step with the right, okay, to the back, then step with the left. Okay, and again, step with the left and step with the right. So you're going to step with the right, left, left, right. Now hands together, right, left, and left, right. Okay, and then again, step with your right, step with your left. Okay, so right, left. After this, you're going to jump, jump on 7, 8. So first, left leg up, then right leg up, okay? So while you eat, jump, jump. So from here, when you lean forward, right, left, jump, jump. So now let's repeat from the very beginning. So hot and sauce and hot and sauce and. One more time, but with count. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. For the last 8 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for this part, hands in front of your chest like this, one on top of the other, and you're gonna go down, up, down, up, okay? So first to the right, down, and to the left, down, up. And for your legs, you're going to move your knees, okay, to the left side, like this, and again, switch to the right side, okay? So it's going to be left and right, okay? Then on 3, 4, slightly looking to the left, hands at the side, you're going to raise right leg, then left leg up, okay? So your hands going up, up, okay? Remember, hands up, up. So right, left. So from here, 1, 2, up, up. Then finish on 5, 6, 7, 8. You go to your place. Now let's repeat this part. So 1, 2, up, up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now from the beginning of the second half, okay? So hot, sauce, hot, sauce. 1, 2, up, up, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.